Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. So for today's video, I am gonna be sharing my favorite makeup obsessions of all time. I reach for every single time. Okay, I need these products in my life. So yes, without any further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. So the first product is from Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and this is how the foundation looks like. Wet n Wild is available on Nykaa, so you can definitely check it on Nykaa. Now this foundation retails for 499 rupees. This foundation is perfect for oily or combination skin because it's quite a matte foundation. Such a beautiful foundation. It is matte but it has a good coverage. I am a dry skin person, but I really hydrate my skin before going in with this foundation, but I always reach for this foundation again and again because of its coverage, because of its texture. It comes with this spatula, this, so it's really convenient to use as much as the foundation you require, and you're not wasting the product. So the next product is Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. Oh my god, I love this concealer so much. This is my holy grail concealer. It's amazing, it's nice, it's creamy, it blends really well, it has a decent amount of coverage. So my next product is this Kama Ayurveda Pure Lavender Water. You can set your makeup with this mist. You can prime your face before going in with your foundation. You can just spritz it to have some hydration boost. It has multiple uses. So the next product is actually a blush. Now this blush is from Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Mellow Wine.
Oh my god, I just freaking literally love this blush so much.
It's such a pretty, everyday kind of a shade. So the next product is a compact. This is from Maybelline Fit Me. I love this setting compact. Such a good compact powder to just set your makeup, and it just gives a nice decent coverage as well. So the next product is Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. I have created so many looks using just this palette. This is such a versatile palette. They are nice, buttery, easy to blend shades, and the shimmer shades are okay, they are not too intense, but the matte shades are to die for. Again and again I reach up to this palette. Product is actually highlighter. Now highlighter, again, this is from Maybelline. This is Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Gold. Beautiful highlighter, and it's perfect for Indian skin tone because it has a gold reflect. It looks so pretty on the skin. I have one more highlighter for you, which is again from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Blossom Glow. Now it's slight a bit pinky shade, but again the highlighter is so good. It is not chunky at all. Just तो ये दोनों ही मेरे फेवरेट हाइलाइटर्स हैं. Now the second last product is beauty blenders. Now you have seen how much I like beauty blender by Blue Heaven, and it's for 150 rupees or something. Loving this beauty blender. It's dirty because I have just used it, but ये बहुत अच्छा beauty blender है. But I have one more beauty blender for you, and this one is the pack one for I think 499 or for 500 or something. But it is such a beautiful blender. अगर मैं इन दोनों में से चूज़ करूँ कोई, तो मैं शायद पैक वाले को चूज़ करूँ because it doesn't absorbs as much product as this beauty blender does. But if you are in budget, if you don't want to spend too much on the beauty blender, आप Blue Heaven का beauty blender try कर सकते हो. But if आप ट्राई करना चाहते हो कोई और ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर भी, तो डू चेक द पैक वन आउट, क्योंकि ये भी बहुत अच्छा ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर है. And my last product is actually a lipstick, and I always reach up to this lipstick no matter what. Is from Maybelline. This is in the shade Nude Nuance. This is a very nice brownie everyday kind of a nude. I like the formula of this lipstick. It's super comfortable because it's creamy matte. It is very comfortable on the lips. And that is it for this video, you guys. I really hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, take care.